So we upgraded to the bigger Instant Pot. About 2 months ago, before we moved, we bought it. It was on sale, and it's been packed away since. We took it out of the box about a week and a half ago or 2 weeks ago. It's been sitting on the counter. I'm finally going to use it the first time. I take all the stuff out of here, the plastic and this little things that are in there, and much to my dismay, I find that a bunch of the plastic pieces came out of there, melted to the inner pot, and I'm making a video. The rest of this video will show you what that looks like. It's kind of nasty. I'm going to report it to Instant Pot. I'm sure they'll give me another inner pot or something. So I'm unboxing my Instant Pot for the first time, and like these plastic things have been melted in there. Check this out. Look, these two spoons are like they got really warm and were sitting somehow. And then these cups, I don't know what they are, but they're melted together. It's supposed to be two things, but I'm not sure what, or just the cup. But there's something melted to it, and look at that. And I'm kind of ticked because I want to make stew. It looks like there's a number 8 or something. I think most of this stuff I will be able to scrub it out, so I'll be able to use it. But, and I don't care so much about those utensils, although that would have been useful for making rice. I guess that's what they have it for. But I'm going to notify them of this situation, and maybe there's some quality improvements they can make in their assembly line or whatever. Well, things just got worse. There's like this, I don't know, it's a piece of paper, but it's completely stuck to the bottom, and I don't know if that's plastic. It does look like there's like melted plastic all over the bottom. So I might be able to get that off, but this just became a much bigger job. I'm going to post this video and see what they say. I don't know. This doesn't seem normal to me. And it was nowhere hot here. If anywhere, it was stored cold since we got it. In a storage bin, actually. Or frig, look. It's all melted. Shit. I don't know if that's not glue. It looks like it's melted plastic, which matches what I saw on the inside. Frig. So I got water soaking on here, and it does appear that maybe this is glue, or if it is plastic melted, it's coming up after a bit of soaking. So looks like it's going to take me some elbow grease, but I should be able to get this clean enough. Look, there's a piece of plastic stuck right on the side. The whole thing all the way around was friggin' kind of melted onto the side like that. Damn it. I need fingernails and I don't have them. Yeah, see? Shoot. Well, it'll scrub off anyway. Whoops. Well, ironically, now I can sort of read backwards whatever was written on that paper, although this is the French one and I don't read French. Remove something. The English one was this half. That basically I'm getting it scraped up with a spoon. It's coming off relatively easily, so I think I'll be able to use this. Well, the remainder of it is taking some serious scrubbing. I've been scrubbing at that relatively hard with a scrubby, and it is coming off, but slowly. Well, this is distressing. That's all friggin' plastic melted on there. All around the outside there's like a rim of it. Look, there it is peeling off. It's a little bit crazy. So the inside is not that important, or the outside I mean. Maybe pressure cooking it will help get that off. Maybe it'll make it go on worse. It's the inside I'm worried about, but there's not much inside, so I'm going to have a go at that. So you can still see where the plastic is left. This is quite a lot of scrubbing that's gotten me to this point. That's not plastic, but you can see it there on the bottom, and one little strip of it there, one little strip there. That seems the only bit left inside. Outside there's still a ton of it. but I'm worried about the inside in terms of cooking my food. Well, this is really taking on a life of its own. You can see I've been scraping away at it with this knife to try to break the stuff up. This stuff is on there really, really well. Look, remove, whatever that said in English. I never got to read it. Do not remove, probably, I don't know. Or remove. So I've been going at it like this with the knife. You can see it does come off there where it's nice and level, but it's